Hi, my name is Michelle Darmody. I am from the Cake Cafe in Slice. I was on a J1 in 97 and also 98. Actually, I did two J1s. First year in Ocean City, Maryland, waiting tables in a 24-hour diner, and the year after in San Francisco, working in a bar. Both great experiences, both a lot of fun. I think the first time I was blown away, I arrived into Manhattan quite late in the evening, and I still remember the taxi ride. There's a few other people I met on the plane, so we all shared a taxi, and I think I was blown away by it. I think I fell in love with New York instantly, and I've pretty much gone back every year since. It's definitely my favourite place to visit if I can. So I think I was blown away by the size, just I suppose the liveliness, the money, the brashness that everything in New York has about it. So I stayed there for a few nights. That was my first experience of the States, and yeah, a lot of strong memories of those first few days in New York. And yeah, I've really loved going to America ever since. I think I have great memories of it. And definitely waiting tables there, working there in bars, definitely made you work hard. You got well paid, but it was very hard work. And I think it gave me a good work ethic. Attention to detail as well. You don't get away with much when you're working in bars in the States. We got twice the tips of most American waitresses, which used to annoy them. I think having an Irish accent and probably seeming a little lost, which we probably did the first summer, definitely helped in the kind of financial tip side of it. I mean, we were kind of blown away by that. It was a lot of money back then for us to be earning, and saved a lot of it, came home with money, but also went travelling afterwards, and used the money to go to Costa Rica, go to Jamaica, travel around. So.